What is going on, intelligent people? Mr. Sequo, and as you can see here, we have Luna. Luna today is like, we don't care. Like, we just 1% down. I'm also going to give you like a long term prediction, also a short one. Now, we know, okay, we know that we have made this break structure, okay, pretty clearly, pretty beautifully. Like that. So we had that break structure. I tried something, okay. We even flipped this right here. This prediction was kind of correct in here, okay. We tapped into a demand area. Pretty beautiful movement to the upside. Daily time frame. We also know that we're undergoing a pretty beautiful wyke of accumulation. Okay, this could easily come back even higher to have that UTAD. This is wyke of distribution, excuse me. But we also know, yeah, as you see, like we're gonna keep in mind this last down movement before the up movement, which is this demand in here. So if this holds, this could easily continue higher. But if no, I think that um, we're gonna be trying to catch these discounted prices in here. All right, now daily time frame, we can see pretty beautiful demands in here. We're also gonna, we can easily refine them like 8 hour time frame. As you can see, straight to the point, just like that. Which I pretty much believe that the price could easily just come in here, okay, at some point and continue back higher. So we're gonna see if this can continue from here to grab more liquidity from the early sellers here, or this could just halt to the downside. So have a wonderful day. We're gonna see what is gonna be the case. Peace out and goodbye.